Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. After some days I came up with a new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a droplet step by step. So I'm going to use HB, 2B, 4B and 8B pencils. So these are lighter, medium and darker grade pencils. Hope you like this video, so let's get started. First of all, we want to be clear in the concept of a water droplet. It is very similar to the glass. When a sunlight passes from a direction, it will converge to a single point. So the water droplet will react as a glass and converge the whole sunlight or the light source to a single point. So first of all, we want to cover the whole area with a basic layer of pencil shading. I'm using HB pencil for the basic shading, and I'm adding the next layer with a 2B pencil. Then add the shadow for the droplet. Each and every droplet will have a shadow in the same direction or in the opposite direction. It depends upon the material or the surface which is being lying. So watch the source. So I had given the link below in description of this video for this picture. I had downloaded this picture in Google, so I had given the link below in description. You can check it out and try the same thing. So I'm just darkening it with a 4B pencil. You can see that. And finally I'm going to do the highlights with an kneadable eraser and with the help of a correction pen. So correction pens are the easiest and very affordable method to mark the highlights, because the jelly roll pens are too costly, because the two pens cost to 300 rupees, so we can't afford it. But correction pens will do the same thing, so it is very affordable and we can buy it easily. I'm darkening the shadows a little bit because it being in the direct sunlight, so it will have much more shadows. So this is the way which I'm drawing a droplet. You can see this and learn it. Then I had drawn a rough outline. You can see that I didn't erase it because this is a tutorial video and I want to show you how I'm drawing, and I want to teach you also what I didn't erase my outlines. Then I'm using a normal mechanical pencil for detailed works, and I'm drawing other droplets in the similar way. You can also draw it as like the same method. First add a basic layer and add more details to the droplet with a darker grade pencil and add the shadows. This is the way. I'm using a paper stump for blending. You can also use brushes, earbuds and tissue paper also. Friends, I hope this video will be so helpful for you to learn this drawing. If you are a beginner, this will definitely going to help you, and I'm going to post a lot more videos like this every week. So mostly these type of tutorial videos will be came out on Wednesdays, and there are other 2 days which I will be uploading videos. The days are Friday and Sunday. Stay tuned, friends. Friends, be very careful while drawing the shadows, because it will get your drawing to a 3D look, and shadows are one of the most important thing in a 3D drawing, because it will separate your drawing as a background and a foreground, so it will get your drawings as a 3D look. So the droplets are completed, so I'm going to draw the background. For the background I'm going to use an HB pencil for the base layer, and I'm going to blend it with a blending stump, and again I'm going to add the next details with an darker grade pencil, because I'm using a 2B pencil is the next darker grade pencil after the HB. We want to use the similar technique to every cell, I meant the every part of a leaf, so it will be looks more realistic and be in the same darkness over the leaf. We could get it easily. I'm placing my hand on a paper because it may smudge my drawing. You can also use this. I think many of you know this, and this will help you to keep your drawing clean. First of all, add a base layer with a light grade pencil. I'm using HB and I'm going to blend it with the blending tool. Then add some more details with a 2B pencil and again blend it. Then add the last up of details with next grade pencil it might be a 3B or 4B pencil. So this is the way which you could get a realistic look. Lot of realistic artists will do the same thing. Some may use the smudging technique or the dodging technique, but I'm using the hatching and cross hatching technique because it helps me more and I'm very comfortable to do that. Simply don't follow the others techniques. See lot of techniques and try out lot of techniques for your own and find out the best method or the comfortable method which is most suits you. So it will be so helpful and so easy to do better drawings at short span of time. For drawing these stems, I am just using an HB pencil because in the reference picture you can see that the stem is very light. So I am just using an HB pencil to give the details, and I am using a correction pen and kneadable eraser for giving the next level of the details and the lighting of highlights. Friends, I don't want to get you bored because if I explain each and every step of this drawing, you may be bored because the video may go so lengthy. And if you have any doubts in your drawing or in this tutorial, just DM me in my Instagram page or leave a comment. So I'll be helping you for getting better at your artworks. It may be on any platform like paintings, oil pastels, charcoals, graphites and any other art styles, also comic art or the realistic art. So I'm helping you. So DM me if you have any doubts or if you want me to help you. That's it, friends. Friends, if you want a lot more tutorial videos like this and a lot of time-lapse videos, just subscribe and smash the bell icon so you get a notification for my every videos. And if you're not checked out my playlist section, just check it out because I had created a lot of playlists for you. I had created tutorials, charcoal drawings, graphite drawings, animal tutorials and so on. You can just watch it and learn a lot more things with me. Friends, if you done any artwork or drawings by seeing our channel videos, just tag me on Instagram so I'll be seeing your drawings and giving more suggestions personally for you. So it will be very easy. Just tag me on Instagram or DM me so I'll be replying you. Friends, I hope you all learned something from this video. So if you have learned something, just like this video and leave a comment. And leave a comment if you want me to draw anything in my upcoming videos, or if you have any suggestions whom I want to draw or what type of videos I want to make in my channel for the upcoming videos. And then the video is going to end soon, so I'm just shading my last piece of the drawing. Friends, I had taken nearly 1.5 hours for this drawing. This is quite long time as comparing to my normal time because I had made this drawing to make others to learn from this drawing. So what I had spent much more time for this drawing. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. Thanks for watching, friends. It's all because of you, and see you on the next video. Stay tuned, friends.